Hello friends, in last video we shall discuss about the structure of roots. Now these fruits, it is a typical structure of roots. These fruits is formed after fertilization and this ovary gets swollen and they can enlarge structure and formation of roots. Now in morphology of flowering plants, in this video we shall discuss about the next point, the important families. Now this family means it is a group of plants and having the very distinguished characters. Now this family, there are study the two families. Now the first one family, the family Fabaceae. Now this important family in this topic, it is a family Fabaceae. Now this is a new name of this family, Fabaceae. Now the oldest name of this family, it is a Papilionaceae. This old name of this family. Now this family is related to the leguminous plants. It is including the legumes. Some legumes are formed in some plants, and this leguminous plants is involved in this family. And all these groups of these plants is included in this family, and this family is called the Fabaceae. Now this subfamily of this Fabaceae family is also called the Leguminaceae. It is a subfamily of this family. Now this family study the important characters like vegetative characters and floral character of this family. For example of this family is pea plants. And there are several characters. Now other plants like the leguminous plant is also included in this family, but these are some characters. The first one character is a vegetative characters, means vegetative part of this plant body, like the root, stem, leaves. These are the vegetative parts of the plant body, and other part of the plant body is a floral characters. Now these floral characters like the flowers characters, means flower is differentiated into calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. These are the floral parts of the flower. Means this family distinguished characters like including the two groups like the vegetative characters and other is a floral characters. Now the first one character of this family, the habitats. Now this family or these plants Fabaceae is also the habitat is also herb, shrub. This plant is only the herbs, herbaceous, herbs included in shrubs. Means height of this plant is about the 2 to 3 centimeter, and this plants is the smallest plants is included in the family Fabaceae. Now the next one characters, the roots. Now in these families the roots are also produce the nodules, means in these roots the roots are from the nodules. These are from the cluster, and in these roots are present the nodules. In the leguminous families the roots are present the nodules. These nodules are formed in these roots. The most important characters of this Leguminaceae family. Now this family is another character of this vegetative character like the leaves. Now leaves, it is a pinnately compound type of the leaves, and these leaves arises alternately from each other. Now these pinnately compound leaves, these leaves arises as the specific branch or the specific rachis, and now these leaves, the number of leaflets, means these are number of leaflets are arises, pinnately compound type of the leaves are formed, and these leaves are alternately present, and this is one of the type of the leaves is present in this family, pinnately compound type of the leaves. You know the compound and simple leaves. The simple leaves means only the single lamella is found, for example mango. And compound leaves means it is found these leaflets, many leaflets or number of lamelles are arises, means many leaves are arises on the simple rachis or single rachis, and this type of the leaf is called the pinnately compound type of the leaves is present in this Fabaceae family. The member of the Fabaceae family, it is mainly the pinnately compound types of the leaves are present. Now the next one character is inflorescence. Now what is the inflorescence? Now this inflorescence means it is a group of flowers. Means flowers arises and the groups. Now in this family the racemose type of the inflorescence is present. In this family there are the racemose type of the inflorescence. Now in the two types of the inflorescence already discussed in the last lecture. Now this racemose and cymose type of the inflorescence. Now this racemose inflorescence means this growth of peduncle or growth of the flower takes place the unlimited growth, and cymose type of the inflorescence means the growth of inflorescence is a limited, flower is a limited growth. And now this racemose inflorescence is present in this family Fabaceae. These are the some vegetative characters of this family. Means roots arises the nodules. This leaves is a pinnately compound type of the leaves, and inflorescence is a racemose type of the inflorescence. Now the next one character of this family is floral characters. Is the flower characters, the structure of the flower showing this flower is a bisexual. The bisexual flowers. What is the bisexual flowers? These bisexual flowers means both the sex organs or both the male and female reproductive whorl is present in this flower, means stamens and carpels both they are found in this flower. It is called the bisexual flower. Now this flower also bisexual and zygomorphic symmetry. The zygomorphic symmetry means this flower is cut into a single plane, and this flower is divided into two equal halves. Means this flower is cut only in a middle portion. For example, this is a flower, this flower is cut in any one plane, and this flower is divided into two equal halves. In this flower is cut into the middle portion, that time flower is divided into two parts, and this type of arrangement in this flower is a zygomorphic flower is present in the Fabaceae family. Now the next one character of Fabaceae, calyx. In the floral parts, floral whorl, the first floral whorl is a calyx, and now this calyx is called the sepal. It is a green color. Now this calyx, the number of calyx is present 5, and this calyx or sepal, it is fused to each other. Means it is, in this flower it is a gamosepalous condition, means they are fused. Now in calyx of Fabaceae is gamosepalous. These sepals they get fused, and this condition is called the gamosepalous. Means this bracket 5 sepals they are fused to each other, and this is a 5 number of calyx in the pea flower. Next one character of calyx, they are arises in the imbricate estivation as well as the valvate type of the estivation. The imbricate type of the estivation means the floral whorls, means the calyx is arises at the valvate as well as imbricate type of the estivation. You know the estivation. This estivation already discussed this point. The estivation means it is the arrangement of the sepals and petals in a specific manner in the floral whorl. Now this calyx, it is an imbricate type in the family Fabaceae. Or some other plants, it is a valvate estivation. Means this calyx is also attached, or this calyx is a valvate estivation, means touch only the margin one sepal to the other sepals, and this type of the arrangement is called the valvate type of the estivation is seen in the Fabaceae family. Now this is a calyx, is a 5, and this calyx, they are fused with each other, means gamosepalous condition is occurring or present in the family Fabaceae, or this the flower like the pea plants, this type of the arrangement is present. Now the next one character of flower is a corolla. It is a second whorl of flower. This corolla, it is called the petals, and this petal, it is a 5 number, and these petals are free from each other, means it is a polypetalous condition. Now this corolla of the pea flower, it is a polypetalous, they are free, it is a 5 in number, and estivation of this corolla, it is a axillary estivation. It is an important type of the estivation is pea flower. The axillary type of estivation means these petals are 5 numbers, and these petals are arises as the axillary type of estivation. This 5 number of petals, this one petal is the largest. This is the largest petal. Petal is a 5 in the pea flower, and it is a axillary type of the estivation. Now this petal, this largest petal, it is called the standard, or it is called the flagellum. It is the largest petal. The arrangement of axillary estivation like the first petal, it is the largest, and it is called the standard. Now these two smaller petals, these petals is look like the wing shape. It is a 2 petals are wing shape, and innermost petals, 2 petals, they are jointed with each other, and this petal, it is a look like the boat shape structure, and it is called the keel or carena of the flower. And this type of the arrangement, it is called the axillary type of the estivation, means the 5 petals, and these petals are free from each other, and in this corolla of pea flower, it is a axillary type of the estivation. The axillary estivation like the 5 petals, this first petal is the largest, and it is a free, and these are the called the standard. 2 petals are innermost, it is a wings like structure are formed, and these 2 are jointed, shortest, it is called the keel, and this is a axillary estivation in the pea flower. Now the next one character, androecium. It is the most important character, important part of the flower is the male reproductive whorl of the flower is the androecium. The number of androecium is 10, and it is a diadelphous. Di means these stamens, they are divided into 2 parts, and it is a diadelphous condition in the pea flower. 9+1 arrangement. The diadelphous condition, the structure of this diadelphous stamens, this one stamen is free, this one stamen is free, and other stamens, they are jointed. Now this is a one stamen, and the other stamens, they are jointed. There are 9 stamens. These 9 stamens, they are jointed with each other. These are the jointed structure, and this condition, it is a diadelphous condition in pea flower. The arrangement of the stamens, or these stamens is arranged 9+1. These 9s are fused. Now these 9s are fused, and only one stamen is free, means this condition is called the diadelphous. This is a diadelphous flower or diadelphous condition of the stamen in pea flower, the family Fabaceae. Now the next one, floral characters, is a gynoecium. It is a female whorl, female reproductive part of the flower. And this gynoecium, it is a single gynoecium, only one gynoecium, and this gynoecium is called the monocarpellary, single carpels. It is found in the only one carpels, unilocular, means single locus is found, and the ovary is a superior. Placentation, it is a marginal placentation. These ovules, they are attached on the margin, means it is a unilocular ovules, unilocular ovary, and this ovary present the many ovules, means they are the marginal placentation is present in the Fabaceae family. The gynoecium is only one, monocarpellary, and superior ovary. Ovary is a superior. What is the superior type of the position of ovary? Superior ovary means this ovary is present at the superior position. The calyx or other four floral parts is below the ovary. These floral whorls, other floral whorls are below, means the androeciums, petals and sepals. These other floral whorls, they are present the below and ovary is above. And this type of arrangement is called the superior type of the ovary. Ovary is a superior, means this gynoecium, it is a superior position. This type of the condition is present in the pea flowers, means the calyx, means sepal, petals and androeciums like the stamens, they are below the ovary, ovary is above, means ovary is a superior, and this arrangement is present in the Fabaceae family or pea flower. This gynoecium or ovary, they get superior. This and next one character, fruits of this ovary or this fruit of the Fabaceae family is a non-endospermic. Non-endospermic and endospermic, there are two types of the fruits. Now this endospermic fruits means endosperm is present, and non-endospermic seeds like these pea seeds is a non-endospermic because the endosperm is absent. Now these are the some characters of family Fabaceae. These are the vegetative and floral characters. Now the next one point, the floral formula of this family. Floral formula. This is the floral formula of family Fabaceae. This floral formula, the first one is a zygomorphic flower. Zygomorphic flower means this flower is cut on one plane, they divide into two equal walls. It is a zygomorphic flower indicating this type symbol. Now the next one, it is a bisexual flower. This male and female flower is present in same flower, means the male and female parts like the stamens and carpel both having this flower, and it is called the bisexual flower. The next one, calyx. Calyx symbol capital K. Now this K, this calyx is a 5 number and it is a gamosepalous. They are fused condition. Now this corolla, it is a 1 plus 2 plus 2 arrangements, and these 3 are free and 2 is jointed and it is fused to each other. Now this androecium of this family means the stamens is 9 plus 1 arrangement, means it is a diadelphous condition. This total number of androecium is 10 and these 9s are fused, they can bracket of this 9 and 1 is a free, means it is a diadelphous condition, 9 plus 1 arrangement of the stamens, and gynoecium is a monocarpellary and ovary is a superior. Ovary is superior. This is the floral formula of family Fabaceae. So the next point, it is a floral diagram of this family showing with the help of the floral formula. This floral diagram, the first whorl is a calyx, is a 5 number. Calyx is 5 number. And these calyx or sepals is fused to each other. These sepals or this calyx is fused, means they are fused to each other. And this calyx, in some flower, it is a valvate type of the estivation. Now this corolla is a 5 number of corollas and axillary estivation. This axillary estivation is one sepals is the largest, one petal is the largest, and 2 is a wing shape, 2 wings, and 2 is a jointed structure, and this is a corolla is a 5 polypetalous, they are fused with each other, axillary estivation. Now the androecium, it is a 10 number. This one is a free, androeciums is a free, and other 9s they are fused, means it is a diadelphous condition. This arrangement of the stamens, these 9s are fused and this one stamen is a free 9 plus 1 arrangement, it is a androecium, and gynoecium is a single monocarpellary. The gynoecium is a single and uniloculars, and single ovules, in the many ovules are arises inside this ovary. Now this is and also this flower is a bracteate. The bract is present. This is a floral diagram of family Fabaceae. The floral diagram showing the outermost whorl, first whorl of flower is a calyx 5 number, and this calyx or sepals, they are jointed with each other, means it is a gamosepalous condition and valvate estivation. Now the next one, corolla, it is a 5 numbers, axillary estivation, one is the largest in pea flower, and 2 are wings and 2 are jointed, or it is a keel. Now the innermost, it is a androeciums, in stamens is a 10 plus 1 arrangement. These 9 are jointed and 1 is a free. And this ovary central gynoecium is a monocarpellary, single carpels is having in this flower. This is a family Fabaceae, their floral characters and vegetative characters. Now the next lecture we shall discuss about the other family Solanaceae.